Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Poco M5s. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then choose Not Now if you wish to end this pop-up and close it by choosing OK. Over here you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and tap on Receive over here on your Poco. Now finally you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send over here. This way you will choose all of them and then send them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I'll go with only one photo. Click on Send next to Selected and tap on Got it. As you can see, finally, from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here next to input key, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also click on the back button instead and input this key over here. Then hit Receive. As you can see now, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!